This is my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is an European version. Let me show you, if I want to call someone, I don't have the stock option to record my call. It's missing for obvious reasons. So if you want to change this, you might want to follow the video. I've been using this method on all my previous Samsung phones, and I hope this is going to work on the S26 Ultra as well. But we're going to need three things. The first thing is to enable the developer's option. Go inside the settings, go inside the software information, find the build number and start rapidly hitting it until you get a message developer mode has been turned on. Now go back to the settings and scroll down to developers options. From here we need to enable USB debugging. Now in my case that's blocked by auto blocker, which means that I need to go back to my security settings and disable the auto blocker. Right, I'm not sure if you know about this, but once you disable it and you restart the phone, it's going to turn on. All right, so my recommendation is, if you are an experienced user and use a lot of ADB, don't use that at all. Anyway, now I'm back in my developers options and you can see USB debugging is turned on. Now I'm going to revoke all my previous authorizations to show you the process as if I'm doing it right now. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to click USB debugging. All right, then I'm going to take a cable to my PC and I'm going to hook up my phone. Alright, now you're gonna get a message like this: allow USB debugging. I will choose the option to allow the USB debugging. The second thing we're gonna need is the SDK Platform Tools. So you can just go to this URL, I'm gonna leave it in the link down below, and you can download the SDK Platform Tools for Windows just by going down and selecting download Android SDK Platform Tools for Windows. Then we need to go inside a command prompt. It's going to be pretty much a standard folder. I have pasted the folder in my program files just like that, but it might be in different locations. Inside you should have these files. Alright, now I'm going to type ADB Devices. Alright, and you can see right now that my phone has been connected. Alright, this is very important. If you see here something that says unauthorized, then the connection is not working, so you probably need to revoke the USB authorizations, then try this again and maybe then even change the cable. Now step number 3, we're gonna need the Firmware Tool 5.4. I already downloaded it from this link. Now I'm gonna open the tool for the first time. It's gonna check for updates and let me know if I need to download a new version. Alright, once you're here, click inside MTP and that's gonna be a menu. Change CSC. Now click on that menu. All right, from here you need to make sure that your phone has been connected. So now this is very important. I know that my phone is using the EUX CSC, right, and I can go here and try to change it to any supported CSC codes out there. Now I'm gonna use the THL. This is the one from Thailand because I know that this supports native call recording. I'm gonna hit change. Alright, and now the tool is trying to execute the command, but we are not yet done. I need to go back on my phone and choose ons. And once I'm here, this is very important, I need to open the test mode by typing the command star, then dash 0 star dash. This is going to put my phone in the test mode. And now I'm gonna click already open test mode. This will allow the SAM firmware tool to run the software that is required to change the CSC code. And as you can see now, the tool is telling me I'm changing your CSC code to THL. What is gonna happen on the background is that the phone, of course, is going to restart. So now we can verify very easily if the native call recording on my S26 Ultra is enabled. And now I'm inside my phone and I can verify very easily if the change is true. So I'm just gonna call my operator, boom! Now I'm gonna have the record menu, it's right there. And it's absolutely native in stock, so I can click record and you can see I can record audio only, but I can also turn all to transcribe recorded calls, which is something that I'm gonna do. So right now I'm not only recording, but I'm also trying to transcribe my call. And how do I know that the recording works? Well, it's just there. The moment I hang up, boom, it's going to stop. And now guys, the most important thing, when I go here, I'm going to see call recorded, recording saved and transcript generated. So now I can go here, all right, and I will have access to my recording with the transcription. All right, now this was a different language and this is why the summarization didn't really work. But now from here, I can go inside settings and then I'm gonna have finally the record calls option. From here, I can set all to record calls. This will start the recording automatically. you can decide to disable or enable the transcript for the recorded calls. Let's say that I'm going to disable this, so I'm going to go back inside my options, and now I can see I have all my recorded calls here, right, with the transcription. So it's a pretty nifty tool. Now let me show you the option called auto record calls. Now I'm going to try to go back to my dialer. I'm going to try to call the same thing. This is my operator. The moment the call picks up, boom, auto recording will start. Alright, so now I hang up. How does this thing work? I hang up and I immediately get a notification, recording saved in the internal storage. And I can directly open this from the voice recorder, right? And then use all the nice Galaxy AI features on this. And by the way, if you do this, then you need to know that maybe your over-the-air updates will be delayed a bit, because sometimes EUX updates just get pushed sooner than Thailand, but you can always use the SAM Firmware Tool to change your CAC back to EUX. And that's it. I really hope that you have liked this video, and if that's the case, just go download SAM Firmware and try this out. I'm gonna leave a link in the first command.